You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model Y, long range, dual motor, all electric, with 26,000 miles. It comes loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, full self-driving, fully paid for. That's a $12,000 package. Still under full factory warranty. Gets about 310 miles at 100% charge. It's got all the Tesla safety features. Has every option available, just about. It is a 5-passenger. Gray exterior, black premium interior. Navigation. We've got 26,348 miles. Full self-driving, fully paid for. AMD Ryzen processor. Premium sound, CCS enabled. We've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated wipers. We've got it all biohazard defense mode. It does have a heated steering wheel as well. So, wireless charging pad. It's a nice clean car. It's got the panoramic roof. It's fixed. Super clean. Power tailgate, heat pump. Just came from the detail shop. Does come with a charger. Front trunk storage. It's got it all. If you're interested, please give us a call. My phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.